Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to turn notes into reminders on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Notes app. Find out the notes that you want to convert into a reminder. Then tap Share button on top right. Swipe right to left and tap More. From Suggestions, tap Reminders. Then tap Details. Customize your reminder as per your needs. Turn on Remind Me on a day, then set date and time. Go back and tap Add on the top right. That's it. These are the steps to turn notes into reminders on iPhone. Launch reminders and check out new added reminder. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.